Welcome to Little Health Heroes! Let's learn, explore, and grow strong together! Ready for an adventure? Let's stay healthy and fight germs! Some germs are sneaky. They're everywhere, but they're tiny. Let's learn how. Dig! Look! Dirty hands! Germs arrived. After playing, hands get dirty. Time to wash. Water first. Water on. Wet first. Add soap. Lots of bubbles. Scrub, scrub. Between fingers. Don't forget thumbs. Backs too. Rinse well. Dry completely. Bye-bye, germs! Friends, stay safe. Wash afterward. Nice work! Little Health Heroes!